Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Kubey Avenger. Now, this was actually sent to the Black Widow pass-around group by Kubey Knives, so I want to send them a huge shout-out and a thank you. And as usual, I'm going to put a link to their website in the description. Also, if you are new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop a like as well, as it helps my channel tremendously. Anyway, this thing actually has a chisel ground Tonto blade, which is made from Aus 10. It is a liner lock design with G10 scales. It has stainless steel liners, including the pocket clip, and the hardware is stainless steel as well. And this bad boy is running on ceramic bearings, so it drops shut very, very smoothly. And I gotta say, Kubey has been really consistent with their budget line. I don't think I've ever had any of their knives that hasn't been just completely on point. I mean, I'm talking about action, fit and finish, the whole 9 yards. They are really good at it, even though it is a Chinese company. Now, when I say budget knives, I'm talking about anything under $100. Now, that might be a lot for some people when buying knives, but now in 2021, you really get what you pay for. Anyway, it is an overall solid build, and I gotta say, I was really surprised to find out this was a chisel grind. You know, I did not notice it at first until I seen it closed like this, and I thought the blade was off center. But yeah, turns out I'm the dumbass, and this thing was perfectly center, and yeah. Again, it's just an overall solid build. But anyway, the overall length on this guy is 7.87 inches. The blade is 3.35. The width of the blade is 1 inch, and the thickness is 0.12. Now, the handle length or closed length is 4.5 inches. The width, 1.125. The thickness, 0.50. And we'll get an accurate weight on this bad boy real quick. Must be something under my mat here. 5.025, which is really not a bad weight. I mean, this is a big heavy-duty knife. This is 100% a knife that I would take to work, and with that chisel ground blade, it just has a lot of utility purposes. Anyway, we will compare this bad boy to the Delica 4, one of my favorite knife designs of all time. You can see that bad boy is roughly about ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch larger than that. Compared to the new Civivi Brazen. I'm about to peel Metal Complex's helmet up here. But yeah, you can see it's right around the same size as the Brazen compared to the Elementum. Roughly about an inch larger than the Elementum, maybe about 3/4, something like that. And one more for good luck. The Orion Solaris. So yeah, right around the same size as the Solaris. Anyway, again, it is a large, somewhat large knife, but again, it carries quite well in the pocket and great build quality. I gotta hand it to Kubey. They have always impressed me, and I don't think that's ever gonna change. Whoever's running that company knows what they're doing and knows how to keep their customers happy. Anyway, I have a couple announcements real quick. I am having a giveaway very soon. I am waiting on the last couple things to arrive. As I shown in my previous video, I have this awesome Kiradashi built by Mr. Ron Steele. This will be one of the prizes, and I will have 3 different prize packs. They will all include a hank, some stickers, some coasters, all kind of swag, stuff like that. But all the main stuff like the knives, I will announce very soon. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Again, if you haven't subscribed already, please go do so and hit that like button. It just helps. Even if it's a dislike, I don't care. As long as it shows some sort of, some sort of movement on my channel. But anyway, y'all stay safe. See you guys on the next one.